If you want to book a yacht or just search for a charter boat anywhere in the world, then you are in the right place. With just a few clicks on our website, you can browse through all the available yachts and be confident that you will get the great deal you deserve. Make a search via the destinations menu for boats in the most beautiful coastlines around the world, or click on our quick quote button and leave your request with us. By making your own yacht search, you can compare real-time availability and prices. You choose. Sail Charter International. Fulfill your sailing dreams. Enjoy, explore, discover.